Hello everyone, in case if you're wondering, if you're doing this L-shaped desk and you're getting to the point where you're putting your little desk part here that's supposed to be your parts to hold your PC on, you're going to have these little screws that are standard, like standard wood screws with these little white things that you're supposed to put in there to hold it in place. Well, the screwdriver that they give you is not the proper bit, because as you can, if you can see, come on, camera, work for me. There we go. As you can see here, it's a little point. It's way too pointed. If you look into the inside here, it's very, very wide. Excuse me while I use my legs here to hold my camera. As you can see, this, as I put it into the hole, there is a severe gap that you can move from. You don't want that when you're trying to screw in. Otherwise, you're just going to keep. It's just going to keep popping out. As you can see, I've just got a little bit of torque tension on it. Excuse me. See if I can get this to focus again. Thank you. So you can see, I've got a little bit of tension on it, and it's just bare. Like I'm pushing down on it. It's working a little bit, but it's catching. What you're going to want to do, if you have a tool set, is you're going to want to find a bit that's like this, that's flat on the end. This is a PH3, and it fits snugly. There is no gap, there is no wiggle. You want something that's snug and will fill up the gap. I'm trying to get this stupid. Thank you. And as you can see, it's filling up the gap entirely versus compared to the other one. And this is going to make sure that it pushes in fully all the way, even if it's got a little bit of tension. This will have more grip, and it'll make sure that it goes all the way in. Do not tighten it too tight, or you will splinter the wood. So be careful, y'all.
Split up, but like, yo, they're not gonna survive with that. They're gonna get caught and like thrown back into jail.
Come on, it's for a love letter.
I know, but we gotta help them, dude. Adam's literally like talking to Gigi right now, saying, "Don't worry, we'll get it back." Carrie, should we help them?
Okay, I mean, we don't